Hi everyone, my name is Patrick Lyons, and I'm here to talk to you about sustainability. Sustainability essentially means that our practices meet our own needs while also preserving ample resources for future generations. Sustainability is a very important topic, especially right now. As I'm sure many of you know, we find ourselves in a sort of climate crisis today. But what you may not know is how much the coronavirus pandemic has amplified the situation that we find ourselves in. Due to sanitation concerns, many locations such as campus dining halls have started utilizing more and more single-use plastics, and while this is good for health and safety, it is not great from an environmental standpoint as it leads to more plastics ending up in landfills. Through this series, I hope to shed some light on some of the issues that we face from a climate and sustainable plastic use standpoint so that you can be more aware of them and change some of the aspects of your daily life to live a little more sustainably and environmentally friendly. As you have probably noticed, all of the cups in on-campus dining locations have been changed to disposable single-use cups. While this is good for sanitation purposes during COVID-19, it's not great from an environmental perspective. Due to the fact that many paper and plastic disposable cups are made from many different materials, it means that they often cannot be recycled and therefore just end up getting thrown out and usually end up in landfills. Landfills are already very, very full, and pollution is a major issue, so this is definitely a problem, especially when you consider how many people eat and drink on campus on day. That is a lot of cups being thrown away. Luckily, there's an easy solution to this problem: plastic reusable water bottles. Reusable water bottles are great for a variety of reasons. First, they're obviously really good for the environment. Reusable water bottles tend to hold more liquid than plastic or paper cups or disposable water bottles anyways, and on top of that, you can refill them, so you don't have to throw something away every time you get a drink. And since they can be refilled, reusable water bottles are also super convenient. It's a lot easier to carry around liquid from place to place in one of these than in a disposable bottle or a paper or plastic cup, and it's also a lot easier to refill these with water, especially on a campus like Villanova's, where we have a ton of these water bottle refilling stations, one in almost every building. And even beyond that, plastic reusable water bottles are even great for your wallet, because then you don't have to buy disposable water bottles every time you need a drink out in public. You can just find a water fountain and fill this up. So even if it is a little more money up front than a disposable bottle, it saves you money over time because you don't have to keep buying them over and over again. So just to review, reusable water bottles are better for the planet, are more convenient for you, and can save you money, and those are just some of the benefits. So in a time when sustainability is more important than ever, getting yourself a new reusable water bottle is one of the best first steps that you can take to make the world a better and more sustainable place.